Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. My today's color theme is green and I'm going to do peacock nail art today. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. As usual, I'm starting with base coat. As a base polish, I'm applying a grass green nail polish on my ring finger nail. This time I'm going to do freehand peacock nail art. Yes, no stamping. I'm going to draw peacock feather using grass green and dark blue acrylic paints. For feather, I draw a straight line first with green color and then I have add thin strokes individually with green color on the sides of that line. Green color is completely dry now, that's why I am adding few light strokes of a dark blue color. On top of feather, I am adding some thin lines of a copper gold nail polish. Now I am going to draw eye of peacock feather. For the eye of peacock feather, I have added a big dot of a shimmery gold polish on the top side of the feather. On top of gold dot, I have added another dot with a sky blue nail polish, and on top of that I have added another dot of a dark blue nail polish, and every time the dots will get smaller than the previous one. I am applying a dark green polish, and on top of that I will do ombre with two different types of green and a blue polish on rest of my nails. After cleaning excess, here I am applying one coat of a glitter top coat on top of my ombre. And here I am finishing my nail art with a glossy top coat. But wait, one thing is left. I have added some rhinestone and beads on my middle finger nail and on the bottom side of peacock feather. I have another video on how to place rhinestones and beads on nails. You can check out that video, link in the description box. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, then don't forget to share my video and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.